today, Nischan?
Today we are going to Galibore Jungle Lodges Resorts property. So it's near Kanakpura and it is located in the Cauvery Wildlife Sanctuary. It is on the banks of River Cauvery, as the name says. So it's about 2.5-3 hours journey from Bangalore and almost 100 kilometers. And as you can see, we are already out of Bangalore and on the nice road. And we are planning for a breakfast break at MTR Kanakpura Road. Okay guys, we had a wonderful breakfast at MTR and now we have taken a slight detour and we want to visit Mekedatu. Mekedatu is a place where the Cauvery river flows through a narrow gorge. It's a very beautiful place. Come on, let's check it out. So we already finished seeing Sangama and Mekedatu and we are on our way to Galibore Fishing Camp. And to reach Galibore Fishing Camp you will have to go through a forest road, which we are taking right now, and you are allowed entry only if you have a booking with Galibore Nature Camp. So it's wilderness all around. It's about 9 kilometers from Sangama parking, and like I said, you will have to come through the forest road, and the road is really bad, but you'll enjoy it. You go deep inside the forest, and we are just about entering Galibore Nature Camp. This is Galibore Nature Camp. Our stay for the day is a tented cottage. There are about 12 tented cottages, and like you can see, there are lots of monkeys around. The accommodation is pretty simple, clean, basic, but it's neat. There are 3 beds in each tented cottage. We are on the Coracle right now, and as you can see, there is a vast expanse of the river Cauvery. and forests on either side. This is our boatman. Sir, ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ಸರ್ ಗೋವಿಂದ.
ಗೋವಿಂದ. ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಒಂದು 15 ವರ್ಷ.
15 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀರಾ?
ಸ್ಪಾಟೆಡ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳು.
We are now on a nature walk. We are taking a small trek to go to a nearby viewpoint. Guys, we're on a steep descent. It's a brilliant view. This place is called Galibore, owing to the winds that blow here. The winds reduced as we are going down. So we had a sumptuous breakfast after our hike, and now we are headed towards the river one last time before we check out.